to fix camera crashing in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, force stop camera. Now open settings, scroll down, click on apps, search camera, click on camera. Here you will see force stop. And if you want to camera force stop, then click on force stop. Click on OK. After click on OK, camera force stop from your phone. Now go back. After that, restart phone. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off button icon. Click on restart. Again click on restart. Restart your phone. Now go back. After that, camera clear cache. Again open settings. Scroll down. Click on apps. Search camera. Click on camera. Scroll down. Click on storage. Here you will see clear cache option. And if you want to camera clear cache, then click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, camera will be clear cache from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings. Again, open settings, scroll down, click on general management, scroll down, click on reset, click on reset all settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, all settings will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix cameras crashing in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.